Hello, in this video I show you how you can convert your Python code into a Windows executable. In my case it will be a small Audacity macro that facilitates audio division using a key. I already have it uploaded to GitHub. I just need to upload the compiled code converted to executable. All we need is to have Python installed. In the navigation bar of our Explorer, we write md and press T. Now we create an environment using the virtual command m. With this we create an isolated environment where we will install the necessary dependencies for our code to be executed, and also pinstaller. It is advisable to create an environment for each Python app you make. Now we run and activate. With this we will have already activated the environment. Now install the dependencies of your app. Once all the dependencies are installed, we try to run our Python app. In my case, I will try the macro with Audacity. It is important to verify the operation before compiling your code. If you include a binary app, file, or folder in your code, it is necessary to use absolute routes. I recommend that you investigate or ask Chat how to do it with your code. You can see that my app is working correctly. It only uses Executable, Kevlar, and Auto Py. Once verified that our app works, we return to our md with our environment m. We run pip install Auto Py To Exe. Once installed, we run the Auto Py To Exe command. We wait for an interface to load through the browser. Change your language. I will put Spanish. Click on Script and select your .py file. In Unique File you can choose whether your app will be compiled in a folder with the compiled files, or a single file where a kind of compressible extractable is created. If your app is very heavy, I recommend that it be a directory. In Windows Console, select Basic Console if your app does not have an IDE interface. For example, if it is an application made in fast Flutter web. In Icon you can select a .igo file for your executable. In additional files you can add folders and files. In my case, I will only add Icon. In Advanced, in the name argument, put the name that your app will have. I clarify that this name is assigned to the console mode and to the file name. And that's all in the compilation configuration. Now in the configuration section, you can export a JSON with the modified parameters. In my case, I will do it. Finally, we click on Convert to Py To Exe. We wait for it to compile. If you have problems compiling, I recommend you disable the antivirus temporarily. This is normal since the compiler is moving libraries from the system itself. If I'm not mistaken, returning to the main topic, keep in mind that this is a basic compilation level. If you have an error when starting your app because a PN library is missing, you can copy this command that is generated from pinstaller and run it directly on your already executed console. Wait a few seconds and cancel it with Ctrl+C. Then a .spec file will be created in the directory of your code. Locate the file and open it with the notepad or other editor. After the first line, you paste the import from the missing library as the example below. Once edited, run pinstaller followed by the name of the .spec file. You can use the edit key to autocomplete the name. With these steps you should compile your app. The .spec file stores all the configuration you created using the pinstaller command, contains directories and defined files. We wait a few minutes for our app to compile. By the way, if you are liking the video, please subscribe. Once compiled, it will create a folder called output in the same folder where our Python code is. Once the compilation is finished, we reactivate our antivirus. Once our antivirus is activated, we try to run our compiled file. We wait a few seconds for it to start. You can see that the program is working. Now we need to test it with Audacity. This little program will be in my GitHub. Practically the button is made in HTML. If you don't know how to program, but you have knowledge of programming logic, you can ask for small scripts to check GPT. By pressing the configured key, it executes the Audacity key shortcut to mark the audios in such a way that they can be exported as multiple files. My program is working correctly. I hope yours works too. I will leave you the official documentation of Pinstaller if you have any questions. And well, friends, that's all. If you liked it or the video worked for you, like it and subscribe for more videos. Send this tutorial to your friend the curious. Bye.